Yo, welcome back. It's your boy DJ Delinger with episode 3. Today we're going to be making Sinigang. You know, with the weather being cold and all, it's a little something to keep you warm, not me. Alright, so for today's ingredients, we got beef stew meat. A lot of people have been asking me to put what kind of meat I use, so now I actually left it here. So we got beef stew meat. Now we have some broccoli. We have the Sinigang mix, which you can get at your local Asian store. 2 tomatoes. Some Bok Choy, some green beans, onions, and spinach. I didn't say nothing about the Patis fish sauce because that's going to be for something later. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. For this size pot here, I just pretty much filled this halfway. So whatever size bowl, just think of it that way, use halfway. First thing I like to do is put the meat. Onions, and the tomatoes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna put in the rest of the ingredients as we go on. All right, y'all, we back. My timer set off, so that's my 15 minutes. So now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Also, if you see here, the tomatoes split now. We split it up while we were mixing the meat up. So make sure you spread your tomatoes out like that. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and put the green beans and the broccoli. These take a little longer to cook, so we put these first. And then probably the last like 5 minutes, we're gonna add the bok choy and the spinach. And of course, the last part of this, we're gonna go ahead and put the sinigang mix. What I like to do is put 1 pack, mix it up real quick, and then just to see if I need more or not. Depends on how much tang you want. Remember I told y'all about the back of the cheek feel. So I'm gonna mix it up, let everything marinate in there, just so I can see how the sabao tastes. Careful when you test. Need a little bit more. So I'm gonna put at least half of this second packet, and then maybe with that last 5 minutes where we put this in there, I'll see if I have to add more. All right, let's go ahead and mix this up a little bit. Set your timer for about 10-15 minutes, just enough to make sure that the vegetables in here are cooked. I'll be right back. All right, so now it's time to add the last 2 ingredients, the spinach and the bok choy. Just throw it all on top, just like that. Put the cover on. We should be good to go. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes, so we're gonna check on the vegetables, mix it around a little bit. So after you mix it around, you want to do one last taste test. If you want to put more sinigang mix, you can, or if you think it's good, it's good. So let me go ahead and see what I got. Be careful. Yeah, that's where I need it. So I'm not gonna put any more mix. And yeah, we're done. Be right back. Alright, y'all, we're gonna do something a little different today. We got us a little special guest celebrities in the building. Right here we got my brother-in-law Johnny, my sister Marianne, and my big bro Kuya D. We're all gonna test the Sinigang out and see what they think.
Alright, you first. You first. All right. You got the sourness on point.
Super sour.
Some tanginess.
Back of the cheeks.
Super sarap. It's sarap.
So we showed the fish sauce earlier. If you wanted it to make it a little less tangy, you could add a little fish sauce to it. And but right now everyone seems to like it, so that's why we don't have it out here.
Shout out to Marty B.
Also, you can make sinigang with different kind of meats like fish, shrimp, pork. So don't forget that. So you know whatever you feel like. But today we did beef. So any last words?
No.
Super banging.
No.
Well, that's it for today. Until next time, peace.